There was a time when the Cadillac name stood at the very top of the automotive world. It symbolized success, refinement, and a uniquely American vision of luxury. Cadillac was not just a car brand. It was a statement of arrival. Today, Cadillac is doing more than honoring its past. They are redefining it. This is the 2026 Cadillac V16, a flagship concept that merges the elegance of pre-war American design with modern ultra-luxury engineering. From the very first glance, the V16 project's authority. The tall, vertical chrome grille immediately recalls Cadillac's legendary models of the 1930s, now executed with modern precision and craftsmanship. Classic round headlamp forms return, enhanced with contemporary LED technology, creating a design that feels timeless rather than retro. The wide, sculpted front fenders reinforce its commanding presence. This is not a vehicle meant to follow traffic. It is designed to lead it. From the side profile, the Cadillac V16 reveals its grand proportions. The extended hood and flowing roofline echo the great V16 Cadillacs of history, while smooth body panels and subtle chrome details bring the design firmly into the modern era. Large, classically inspired wheels paired with modern performance tires signal that this is not merely a design exercise. It is a fully realized grand touring automobile, engineered for long-distance comfort and effortless power. At the rear, the design becomes calm and confident. Vertical LED taillights, now a Cadillac signature, are seamlessly integrated into the rounded bodywork. Quad exhaust outlets sit low and wide, subtly reminding us that beneath the elegance lies serious performance. Minimal badging and a refined Cadillac script speak quietly but clearly. This car does not need to explain itself. Step inside, and the V16 feels less like a traditional cabin and more like a private luxury lounge. Premium leather surfaces, piano black trim, brushed metal accents, and carefully tuned ambient lighting create an atmosphere that is warm, refined, and unmistakably exclusive. The digital dashboard is integrated with restraint, maintaining a sense of analog luxury rather than overwhelming the interior with screens. The V16 insignia on the dashboard is not decoration. It is a declaration. Under the hood, the Cadillac V16 is expected to feature a next-generation V16 powertrain, likely supported by advanced hybrid technology. Estimated output is rumored to approach 1,000 horsepower, delivered with smoothness and composure rather than aggression. Power is expected to flow through a refined rear wheel or exclusive all-wheel drive system. This is not a car built for racetracks. It is engineered for commanding, effortless motion. Positioned as an ultra-exclusive limited production flagship, the 2026 Cadillac V16 is expected to begin well above $300,000, with extensive customization available to select buyers. Production numbers will remain intentionally low, securing its place as a future collector's automobile. The Cadillac V16 is more than a luxury car. It is a statement of heritage, confidence, and ambition. Cadillac is not chasing trends. They are redefining what American luxury can be. This is Mobix Auto. Thank you for watching.